So, Lakay,
Meron ka rin.
para sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho,
Aba, maganda yan. Ang daming tambay ngayon.
ito yung nakabase sa US, yung Master Delpe B-Life USA,
Aba.
ay open sila for job applications para sa posisyon MDP B-Life Trainer and Specialist.
Wow.
At ang number of openings daw mga kaibigan ay 18.
Wow.
Yan ha.
Anong trabaho yan, Lakay?
Ang main roles daw nito mga kaibigan ay bilang trainer, bilang specialist, MDP B-Life spokesperson, and marketing brand ambassador, and enabling operations in the assigned region. Ito yung mga preferred educational background mga kaibigan. Kung kayo po ay medical doctor, preferably completed daw po any governmental requirements such as rural service and able to go abroad with or without experience. Pangalawa, doctor of dentistry with or without experience. Pangatlo,
Mga dentist, ha?
Lakay.
Ano pa?
Either of these professions na pwede daw po kayo at qualified.
Aha.
Pwede rin daw po yung mga nurse with BS Nursing or Master's degree. Meron daw pong 2 years experience. Psychologist or graduate in psychology, social work having 2 years experience. Pwede rin daw po yung MBAs, preferably major in marketing or communications. No experience required. School or college educators, graduate and master's degree with major in mathematics, algebra, chemistry, social science with 2 experience. Lahat daw po ng mga mag-a-apply ay mag-send ng inyong mga resume.
Ayan, saan ipapadala ang resume, Lakay, ha?
Kanilang mga resume
Saan?
with photograph kay Dr. Helen Sakin, officer in charge ng SOSEN at ng B-Life. Ang kanyang email ay helens@masterdelpe. Yung pong Delpe, DELPE. helens@masterdelpe.com o kaya sa mdpofficeph@gmail.com. Yan po yun.